Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, I wanted to highlight a piece of news circulating the Sony Xperia Android community. It seems that a number of folks who own the Xperia 1 Mark VII have been experiencing some pretty critical bugs with their new smartphone. This is the device that was launched in May of this year, with the company already sending out pre-orders and filling up store shelves as of last month. Since launch, those who purchased the latest Sony Flagship have been reporting strange issues with their new phones. These bugs have ranged from simple reboots at random times, but it's also progressed to unexpected power offs and the inability to power the phone back on as well. Sony has yet to confirm the exact cause of this issue, but this week they did publish some acknowledgement within its support forum. In the post, we are told that the team from Sony Xperia Japan has identified some reported bugs as legit, widespread issues that are affecting a number of its customers. The power-related issues that folks are reporting may not be limited to these, but these do seem to be the most common problems at this time. Sony has no idea what is causing their new phones to behave in this way, but the teams are investigating these reports as we speak. The European division does believe that these issues are only happening to a certain segment of units that have been sold so far, and that they are in the process of figuring out how to identify the batch that's experiencing these bugs. As of right now, Sony recommends that you keep your important data backed up until these issues have been fixed. They aren't sure if this will be solvable via an over-the-air firmware update or if physical units need to be swapped out. But any and everyone who owns the Xperia 1 Mark VII should contact the Sony Support Center. The link is included in their announcement blog, but I'll be sure to have it in the video description below as well. The only recommendations that they can give right now is that you should try to power the phone back on by pressing and holding the power and volume up buttons at the same time, and continue holding those buttons down for more than 20 seconds. This action will trigger Android's forced reboot process, which will hopefully get the phone to turn off and then turn back on, so that at least you can continue using it. They would also like for you to make sure that your firmware is up to date as well, which actually makes it seem as if this is a software issue that can be fixed with an over-the-air update. It's possible that Sony will be pushing out some bug fixes over the next few weeks or so in an attempt to squash this critical issue, and that they want you to make sure that you have the latest update in hopes that some of these software fixes can help to mitigate these effects. This is definitely not your typical Android software bug, and it does sound hardware related, possibly something to do with how the phone is delivering power to its components. But we're going to have to wait and see what Sony's team learns after its initial set of investigations have been completed. I'm really curious to hear if anyone in our community has purchased this specific phone and whether or not you are having this issue yet. Please share your experience down below, and don't forget to click on that like button to help spread the word about this issue, so that more people in the Xperia community are made aware of it.